Okay, so I went to my local dump today and I found this in the metal box. I love looking through old tools and seeing if there's anything useful or collectible, so to speak. So it should be fun to look through. Let's check it out. So I saw this one right on the top. I don't know how great it's gonna come out, but it's S&K tools, made in the USA. Of course, it's completely frozen. I will probably evaporust it or WD-40 and try to loosen her up. It's a cool find. Someone put a weird handle on a ball peen hammer. It looks pretty old. I don't see any markings on it. Maybe if I clean it up I'll see something. But it's worth saving, I think. And then this one that's just slightly smaller. And again, I don't see a label, but maybe there. Oh, I think I do see something. You know, if I turn the light on, it probably helps too. Great Neck, USA. So that'll be a good one to clean up. Although the handle's kind of messed up. Well, that's not very useful. Or I guess you could trim it off. You still got this usable piece. Forged steel. I don't know what that is. I guess I need the wire wheel for that one. Kind of really messy looking kind of channel lock style thing. Pliers. This is Fuller number 113. Drop forged groove. So I don't know if these are, oh, Japan right there. Yep, these are Japanese. I say some of the Fuller's US, some's Japanese. I've had quite a collection over the time. Little pair of pliers. Absolutely no markings. The handle embellishments are okay. Nothing spectacular. What else we got? Oh, that's a good one. Small S&K 3/8, made in the USA, with an FU for branding apparently. I'm sure that's the forging company that made it for S&K. A tap handle, I believe this is. M25 1-inch. I don't see an origin on it, so I'm gonna guess it's probably just a cheap one. Old pair of vice grips. Looks like it's a US, but I don't know if these can be saved. It needs the spring, and they're obviously really rusty. I'm not sure if I have that small size though, so it'd be cool if I could clean it up. Another adjustable. The full drop forge just says Japan. Fuller. Oh, big surprise, Fuller. What's this one? Oh, that's cool. Another S&K. S&K Electro or Electite. Can't quite read it. SK is always a good brand to find. Oh wow. Not exactly sure what that brand is. HM, I think. 12-inch. Some type of logo. I think they needed a bent wrench for whatever reason. Oh wow. I believe that's what's left of a Craftsman screwdriver. It's obviously been in a fire. Cute little baby wrench. Oh, says USA. Forged in the USA. I don't see a marking, a brand name, but I might if I clean it up. I don't know what the heck this thing is. Is it for a lathe maybe? Got a big wooden handle. It's kind of sharp on the end. Some type of pliers. Of course they're solid. You've got enough different grooves. Got cutters. And I don't know what these are inside. I guess for a bigger thing you could connect it to. Some wire strippers. GB Electric Incorporated. I don't know if these are US made or not, but they look like they'd work. Pretty heavy steel. Oh, never mind. Found it. Taiwan. Still looks like a nice tool. Clean it up. I see nothing on here at all. Could be a nice wrench. Oh, nice. They broke this one too. J. Malani. India. Oh, nice. My hands look awesome, huh? These tools are so dirty. It'll be fun to clean them up, though. CR. Oh, Cristalloy. Made in the USA. That's a good find, assuming that I can make it work again, since it's solid. Another pair of pliers. These are like needle nose, and they're solid also. Don't see much of any markings at all on this one. Definitely gonna need a wire brush for that one. Maybe some Evaporust. Oh, there's a weird one. Look at that. So I've seen these tools, but it's usually on a plier. This is on like a screwdriver handle. And I guess you twist it to open it. Definitely don't have one of those. It's interesting. Japan, drop forged. Is it a Fuller? No, it's not. LABC? I don't know what that means. Barkalow, if I'm saying that right. There it is. USA. Buffalo. Barkalow. Another screwdriver. Definitely seen better days. I don't know if I see any markings on there. Bump the camera. No. It could be a usable screwdriver in any case. Oh, another one of these. Except this one feels really cheap. I'm guessing this is probably a Chinese one, which you don't need since I got the nice one in there. What is this? Little tiny wrench. And drop forged India. Ghidorah, number 12. Thought Ghidorah was a good brand, but I don't remember it being made in India. This could be channel lock. Let's get the blue handles. Wipe it with a rag, see if I can see anything. No. Oh, maybe actually. Right there. That was on the wrong side. Yep, channel lock. That's definitely one worth cleaning up. US made channel lock, that's a good brand. And this is probably cheap Chinese, I'm assuming, because it's got those kind of soft rubbery grips, which in my experience is usually an inexpensive brand. Could still be usable, but I'm looking for the good brands. Family use. I think it's Taiwan. Family use? I don't understand that. It's a socket. Why would a socket have family use on it? A pair of cutters. I can always use another pair of cutters. I don't care who makes those. And then when they're junk, they're junk. It's okay. Yeah, I don't see any branding on it. It's looser than some of them, though. And what are these things? Speedway series, huh? Some of those, what is it, a split ring? Retaining ring. Speedway series. I think it says Taiwan right there. I'd still clean it up. That could be useful to have around. Little collection of drill bits. I don't see a brand on them or anything, but probably still usable. Oh, there we go. That's a good one. S&K 1/4, and it's really clean, believe it or not. What else we got in here? Another tiny wrench. And a chisel or something? Oh, it's a broken file. Like a triangle file, but somebody broke it. Let me see if I can get any detail on this little wrench. There's the drop forged. Taiwan, I think that is. It's a tiny one. Hey, look at that, another Speedway series. I don't know if they're supposed to be bent like that, though. Maybe they can be repaired. Cleaned up and repaired. Yeah, they're pretty soft metal, so you can bend them pretty easily. What is this one? I think it says Crestalloy again. Yeah, Crestalloy, made in the USA. Another one that needs evaporest because it's frozen. Part of a tap and die. I think this is the other half of that, which it's free for some reason. This one actually is working. Come on, focus. It says Taiwan in big letters on this side. And a couple of the parts for the tap and die set. I don't know how many are supposed to be in the set, but there's a few more. Forged in the USA. Westline. A little Westline wrench. That's a cool find. And some trash. Made in China. A little adjustable wrench. Nothing too exciting. Melted screwdriver. That's not very exciting either. Apparently, whoever owned these before liked to have wire strippers. Got another one. I don't see any branding. Oh, there's something on the handle. Oh, GB Electric again, just like the other one. I say this one does feel a little more solid, and it's frozen, of course. And that's another one of those Taiwan family sockets. That's so weird. What else is in here? Part of the tap and die set. Some type of boring bit. Looks pretty aggressive if you ask me. That might be part of the tap and die set, I'm not sure. Looks like you could put a drill bit or something in there and then twist it. It's an interesting piece anyway. Alright, the rest is just screws and not sure what that is. A wooden handle. Kind of looks like a blade. Broken handle, I assume. Another piece of the tap and die set. There's another one. And what is this? Cal. Drop forged. In Japan, I think it says. Yeah, Japan. It's an interesting angled wrench. Maybe for a motorcycle or something. I don't know. Well, it was a fun collection to pick up and fun to go through. Can't wait to get the wire wheel out and the evaporest and start cleaning this stuff up. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.